Hi friends, in this video I would be showing two methods to uninstall or delete Jio Hotstar app. Method 1. Go to apps, select this apps tab from top, then go down. Here you can see your app section. From here we need to find Jio Hotstar C. Then press and hold OK button on the remote. Go to view details. So here you can see uninstall button. So this way we can uninstall. This is a method 1. Let me go to method 2. Method 2. Go to settings, select all settings from top right corner. Go to apps, go down, set see all apps. Here you can see list of all apps installed in this device. From this list, let me select Jio Hotstar, then select uninstall, select OK. See, it's deleted. This is a method 2. So these are the two methods. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.